Member from St. Catherine South Western.
Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I think we're starting on the wrong footing. And I think we are setting a very bad example for the young members who just came in. The issue is, a statement by a minister is, I think, limited to 20 minutes, and the opposition spokesperson limited to 5. Then others can ask questions. What I've observed is that everybody making a statement or a speech, a presentation. Mr. Speaker, we start out wrong, badly. So you need to rein them in. Whereby statements are, what am I doing? I'm trying to educate you on the standing order. I'm trying to educate you on the rules of this house. Mr. Speaker, I'm calling you to put some discipline on the floor. Point of order, Mr. Speaker. Point of order. You need to rein in the members.
Member. Member, you have raised a point of order. Let me hear your point of order.
My point of order, Mr. Speaker, point of order is that a statement by minister can only be when a council opposition can ask questions, not making statements themselves. The opposition spokesperson has 5 minutes. The others just ask a question but not making statement. You need to teach them, particularly the ones from South Manchester, what the rules of this house.
Announcement. Sorry. Minister.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm excited about the excitement that this has created. But I would say that I appreciate the contribution made. The fact that this is a green paper, the input of persons within the House and outside of the House. I will be guided if it will be a joint select committee or it will be the human resource committee, but that is to be determined. But the opportunity will exist for the inputs to be made. And I'm really happy that everyone is really excited about this. Just a couple of quick points. The soft copy should be available to you as we speak, right? So you will have access to the soft copy. The Blue Lagoon, when we talk about access, and I know the concerns you have had, and you as the new member of parliament, you will be looking keenly to see what is going to happen there. But we have to ensure that we put order in what we do. And so this document will provide the guidelines, the framework within which we operate. And public education, yes, is important. Yeah. And that will be a critical part of this program as well. I also want to indicate that sports, we refer to it as physical culture. Yeah. And it's not about one page. There is so much more that is in this framework, that sports is entertainment as well. And so sports will be treated and has been treated as a standalone, but it has also been integrated in the overall entertainment and culture and creative and innovative policy that we present. For example, sports has its own, in the sport practitioners, they have their own insurance plan. Entertainers and cultural communities have their own insurance plan. The maroon communities, they are on the e-registry, and there is a sports registry as well. So we do treat them separately, but we also have the collaboration between the areas, because overall it's about our creative spirit and our creative output. Now, one last thing, because I shouldn't be making another speech. But I just want to say that heritage sites are important. And the Jamaican National Heritage Trust, which is responsible to treat with the built heritage, on that board would be representatives from the Historical Society, the Georgian Society, and all the relevant bodies. And our built heritage is extremely important. And so as we move forward with this framework, I look forward to our creative people being empowered. And for us, data collection is very much a part of this. And it's important we have empirical data so we can inform government as to our contribution to the economy and be respected for what we contribute. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Announcements.
Laid on the table of the House are the following: Annual Report of the National Education Trust for the financial year 2019-2020, Annual Report on Audited Financial Statements of the Rural Water Supply Limited for the financial year 2021-2022, Annual Report on Audited Financial Statements of the Sports Development Foundation for the calendar year 2022, Independent Fiscal Commission Statement on Fiscal Performance for the financial year 2024-2025, Annual Report of the Northeast Regional Health Authority for the financial year 2010-2011, and its related ministry paper number 42 of 2025 entitled Annual Report of the Northeast Regional Health Authority for the financial year April 2010 to March 2011, Green Paper numbered 1 of 2025 entitled National Policy for Culture, Entertainment and the Creative Economy 2025 to 2035, the Independent Commission of Investigations Special Investigative Report, Planned Police Operations dated October 2025, Integrity Commission's Investigation Report into concerns that Ms. Keisha Lewis, Councillor at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, failed to file her statutory declarations with the Integrity Commission for the years 2019, 2020, and 2022, and its indicative ruling, Integrity Commission's investigation report into concerns that Mr. Roger Curlew, former councillor at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, failed to file his statutory declarations with Integrity Commission for the years 2019, 2020, and 2022, and its indicative ruling, Integrity Commission's investigation report into concerns that Mr. Rowan Hall, a councillor employed to the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, failed to file his statutory declaration with the Integrity Commission for the year 2019 and its indicative ruling, Integrity Commission's report of investigation concerning allegations of procurement irregularities and conflict of interest in the award of contracts to Market Me Consulting Limited by the Ministry of Health and Wellness. Thank you.